You live in Wales. You know your corner of this country pretty well. And maybe you've travelled a fair bit, perhaps even north of the M4. And what you've seen is the Wales that happens through the medium of English. Now don't get me wrong, that's a real part of Wales, a glorious, colourful, emotional part of Wales. But it's not the whole story. There's another Wales, and it's almost invisible. It's been looked down on and threatened over the years. Sometimes it's even been mocked and dismissed. But it's still there. You just have to know the right way to look. This other Wales that we call Cymru is all around you. Even in the heart of Newport, there are people quietly leading most of their lives through the medium of Welsh. And when you learn how to listen and look, when you find the special glasses that let you see this other Wales, you'll discover that it is bursting with life. It's overflowing with poets and singers and storytellers, with riotous nights out in pubs and not quite lethal competitions in Eisteddfodau. The national one is only the tip of that iceberg. It's in the laughter of children, the memories of old people and the passion of the young. It's on rugby and football pitches, in YouTube videos, woven around Twitter and Facebook and WhatsApp. It's in the local chapel, in tea and coffee mornings and parents' groups and nurseries. It's all around you. And you can become part of it. If you learn just a few phrases in Welsh, you'll start catching glimpses of it. And the more you learn, the more you'll see. Every step you take will open up new and beautiful views. Maybe now is the right time for you to start that journey. If it is, you could use the 25 free lessons at saysomethingin welsh.com. Or, if you're in a hurry, you could come on our 6-month guided and supported online course where we actually guarantee to turn you into a confident Welsh speaker at www.saysomethingin.com/6MWS. Or maybe you prefer our more leisurely, but just as guaranteed, 2-year course at www.saysomethingin.com/2YWS. Get through either of those courses, and it will feel a bit like coming home and discovering that your house is twice the size it used to be. Welcome home, welcome to Wales, and welcome to Cymru.